A flower that's inspired poets, kings and magicians. But what if its true power is still hiding in plain sight? Hello Cosmic Souls, I'm Zemira Rowan and today we're diving into the fascinating world of tulips. These aren't just flowers, they carry centuries of symbolism, beauty and a hidden energy that's inspired cultures across the globe.
From their mystical roots in Central Asia to their role in art, poetry and spiritual practices, tulips have stories to tell.
And for those of us that work with magic, they're not just beautiful blooms. They can be allies in rituals, charms, and personal growth. Today, we'll explore their symbolism, uncover their subtle powers, and share some ways to work with tulips in your own spiritual practice. When most people think of tulips, they picture endless rainbow fields stretching across the Netherlands.
Neat rows of colour beneath soft spring skies.
But the true story of the tulip begins far from Europe, in the wild and tamed landscapes of Central Asia.
Long before tulips became symbols of elegance and wealth, they grew freely as wildflowers, resilient, vibrant, and deeply connected to the land.
It wasn't until around 1000 AD that humans began to cultivate them in what is now Turkey.
There, the flower quickly captured attention, not just for its beauty, but for its symbolism. In fact, the word tulip comes from the Turkish word for turban, inspired by the flower's distinctive curved shape.
And from there, the tulip began a quiet journey across the world. Not just a flower, but as a symbol, absorbing meaning from every culture it touched.
In the Ottoman Empire, the tulip, lale, became a symbol of perfection, balance, and divine beauty.
It was seen as a reflection of paradise on earth, its symmetry echoing spiritual harmony.
Palaces and gardens overflowed with these blooms. Art and architecture celebrated their form, and poets saw in them the fleeting yet divine nature of existence.
In Persia, the tulip transformed again. Here it became a symbol of love, sacrifice, and devotion. The red tulip represented the blood of a lover, or a soul who gave up everything for love. Poets wrote of it as a flame of the heart, beautiful, consuming, and fleeting.
In Persian folklore and poetry, it's said that where the blood of lovers or fallen heroes touched the earth, red tulips would bloom. And while the imagery is intense, it isn't meant to feel dark, but deeply romantic and spiritual, representing devotion, transformation, and beauty born from love and sacrifice.
For a spiritual practice, this adds depth. Tulips don't just attract love, they represent a love that transforms you. Love that asks something of you. Love that leaves a mark. When tulips reached Europe, their meaning shifted once more. In the Netherlands, tulips became symbols of wealth, status, and desire.
Rare varieties, especially the broken tulips with flame-like patterns, were seen as almost enchanted, their beauty unpredictable and rare. This led to tulip mania, a moment in history where flowers were treated like treasure.
At its peak, a single bulb could be worth more than a house. People chased them, invested in them, believed in their value, until the illusion collapsed. And again, there's a lesson here for those on a spiritual path. Not everything that glows is sacred. Not everything that's desired holds true value. Tulips teach both attraction and discernment. They remind us to stay grounded, even when something feels rare or powerful. And then the tulip made its way further east, into China. In Chinese culture, tulips are a more recent addition, but one that fits almost seamlessly into existing spiritual philosophy.
They came through the cultural exchange, likely along the Silk Road, bringing with them layered meanings.
Over time, they became associated with balance, harmony, and personal growth.
Their symmetrical petals reflect the idea of equilibrium, something deeply valued in both Confucian and Taoist thought.
In modern Chinese symbolism, tulips represent renewal, aspiration, and the idea that it's never too late to bloom.
Some even compare them to scholars who blossom later in life, a reminder that growth doesn't follow a strict timeline.
For a witchcraft or spiritual practice, tulips can be powerful allies here too. Used in spells and rituals to invite second chances, personal breakthroughs, and support for those seeking growth later in life. Tulips are among the first flowers to bloom in spring, often appearing in April and May during the Ostara and Beltane Seasons. Because of this, they carry the energy of hope, rebirth, and new beginnings. Life returning after the stillness of winter. And for those of us who work with magic, the colours of tulips carry distinct energies and correspondences.
Red tulips. Passion, devotion, courage, and love that transforms. Perfect for rituals of heart-opening or deep emotional work. Yellow tulips. Joy, confidence, abundance, and hope. Use them to attract positivity or prosperity. White tulips. Purity, forgiveness, and new beginnings. Ideal for cleansing rituals or setting fresh intentions. Pink tulips. Affection, caring, and emotional healing. Great for gentle self-love or nurturing energy. Purple tulips. Personal power, elegance, and divine guidance. Draw on them for clarity, insight, or spiritual work. Orange tulips. Enthusiasm, vitality, and motivation. Energize a spell or spark personal creativity. Black tulips, which are actually deep purple tulips, used in spells for personal power, ambition, and banishing. Deep purple tulips often appear black and are especially potent under the full moon.
And there are also double-petaled tulips, such as these ones behind me, the margarita.
Double-petaled tulips. Rich, layered, and abundant in form, they carry an energy of fullness, luxury, and amplified intention, making them especially powerful for spells of love, attraction, prosperity, and emotional fulfillment. With their soft, ruffled petals, they resemble miniature peonies and can be used as a substitute in spellwork, bringing similar energies of romance, abundance, beauty, and heartfelt connection. There are also multi-bloom tulips, like these Candy Club tulips. Each stem produces several flowers, creating a sense of fullness, overflow, and abundance, like one intention unfolding into many. Their soft pink and ivory tones deepen over time, sometimes resembling delicate striped sweets, adding a touch of sweetness and charm to their energy. In spellwork, they're especially powerful for abundance, growth, and multiplication, helping intentions expand, strengthen, and blossom into something more. There are also tulips that transform in colour as they open, softly shifting over time, like these sauna tulips, which are a personal favourite of mine. Sauna tulips, a beautifully layered two-tone bloom, with deep rose at the centre of each petal, fading into soft pink edges that gently soften into a warm apricot as the flower matures. Their petals gently curve outward, creating a sense of movement and transformation, like a flower caught between phases, never static, always evolving. Because of this, sauna tulips carry an energy of transition, soft transformation, and emotional unfolding. In spellwork, they are especially powerful for periods of change, supporting you through personal growth, healing after heartbreak, shifting identities, or stepping into a new chapter of life. They're also beautiful allies for self-love rituals, helping you embrace every version of yourself as you evolve, not just the final form, but the becoming.
Here are some practical spell and charm ideas.
Tulip Protection Circle. Use tulip stems or petals to make a small circle around a candle, altar, or your meditation space. As you place them, imagine a protective barrier forming around you. Tulip's natural vitality amplifies the circle's energy and brings emotional resilience. Tulip Prosperity Charm. Place a dried yellow tulip petal or small tulip flower in a small jar with a coin or a symbol of money. Each time you see it, quietly affirm, "Wealth flows easily and joyfully to me."
Alternatively, simply carry a dried tulip petal in your purse as a simple charm for money and abundance.
Sweep your aura. Sweep your aura with a few tulip stems to cloak yourself in a gentle veil of magnetism, desirability, and heart-centered energy. love goddess altars and rituals. Because tulips share qualities with love goddesses, earthiness, beauty, sensuality, heart-centeredness and charm, they are a perfect addition to love rituals or altars honouring figures such as Hathor, Aphrodite or Venus. Red or pink tulips enhance passion, devotion and emotional connection, allowing their natural energy to complement the goddess's influence. Medicinal and practical uses. While tulips weren't widely used medicinally, likely due to the historical cost of bulbs, a poultice of tulip flowers can soothe rashes, stings, scratches and minor burns. Tulip oil can also be added to baths, massage oils, or diffused in your home to uplift vibrations and energy.
Because of their natural beauty and variety, tulips may have been among the first flowers cultivated simply to bring joy. And perhaps that alone is a kind of magic. And you can still feel that magic today. Right now, I'm here in Nanjing's Botanical Garden, where over 400,000 tulips are in full bloom. All around me, people have gathered, not for trade, not for status, but simply to experience their beauty. Behind me, you can see crowds of visitors moving through the fields, pausing to take photos.
Smiling, laughing, each person trying to capture a moment with these fleeting blooms.
And perhaps that's the most powerful kind of magic the tulip offers. Not wealth, not rarity, but joy.
A reminder to pause, to witness beauty, and to share it. A reminder that life is brief, but its magic can be profound. Across cultures, across centuries, the tulip has carried the same quiet truth.
Beauty is fleeting, love is powerful, transformation is always possible. Thank you for joining me on today's journey through the magical world of tulips. If you enjoyed this video, please give it a thumbs up and remember to subscribe and comment for more content. I'd love to hear your thoughts, experiences and favourite tulip practices in the comments. Let's keep the conversation blooming. Until next time, Cosmic Souls, keep seeking beauty, magic and growth in every moment. Bye!
The moon, she dances like the waves on the shore, making circles like the waves on the shore.